Good day and welcome to Smart PTT. My name is David Palm. I'm from the Smart PTT team, and today we want to introduce to you guys our new little radio that's come onto the market. It's called the Smart PTT SE650, and this is one that you've seen on Facebook advertisements, on Google. And the reason why we're trying to push this radio is because it's one of the best SIM card to radios that we've basically discovered on the market. And not just saying it because we're selling it to everybody in South Africa, but also we're selling it all over Africa, should we say. But what we find about this new product is that it's 4G LTE, which is quite lekker. So what's nice is it can communicate on the networks faster, it uses less data. So let's go into it. So this little radio uses 300 megabytes of data, where you're able to communicate from the first of the month to the end of the month, and that's communication through day and night, where you're able to communicate radio to radio, and that basically equates to 35 Rand data in South Africa, data bundle for 300 megabytes. So imagine you can talk the whole month for 300 megabytes of data, which is 35 Rand per radio per month. And it's got real-time GPS tracking, it's got voice recording. So if you want to check where your radios are and see what they're doing on the site and all that, you can basically see if the guard's walked its perimeter around a building or he's done his perimeter around a fence. You can basically see the real-time GPS tracking. Or say there's been a panic alarm that's been set off, you can actually see where the guy's driving with the radio for logistics purposes and all that type of stuff. And we got real-time GPS tracking, voice recording. We've got the panic button. So when you press the radio button on the side here and hold it in, it sends an alert to the other radios and also to the radio software. And what's nice is you've got 1,600 channels on the radio. So you can have a channel for like Johannesburg, channel for Pretoria, or you've got different companies. You can have a channel for Smart PTT, for Satellite, or whichever basically you want to do it for. And it's our top seller. We sell basically 100 units a week. Would you believe 100 units? So we're trying to bring them in fast enough in what we can basically sell them. So it's a very good radio. So some industries are currently using them: security, farming, best for farming. We've got like some farmers that are out in like Tabazimbi area, Empangeni, Cartonville, like really remote places where your cell phone signal doesn't work on your cell phone, but the radio basically picks up network. So it's excellent, when it comes to farming. And then what's nice is also we've selling it for mines, so open cast mines, where the signal's basically on level, not going underground. So we do have units that can communicate from underground that uses Wi-Fi, where you're able to talk from underground to above ground. But not with this model. This model doesn't have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's just straightforward. And it's selling for 1,595 Rand, as advertised on our Facebook page and on our adverts. And it's one of our top selling two-way radios, would you believe? And it's only like 2 months old, and it's already sold up to like nearly 3,000-4,000 units that's out in the field. What's nice is you can name the radios. You can call them David, John, or Sipho, basically whatever you want to call the radios. And you can also give it vehicle registration numbers. So you can do a lot of personalization on the radio. What's nice about it, it uses a C-type charger. So you can charge the battery with a C-type. And you can charge the battery while it's on or off the radio, which is quite nice. And it gives you basically 12 to 14 hours where you're able to communicate for the whole day. You do get spare batteries, so you can use one and charge one while you're basically utilizing it. And it's just nice. It just feels lekker, and the quality is very good. So let's quickly test and call someone on the radio. Many coming. So as you can hear it basically in the background, calling my colleague.
Send your mic there.
There you go. So it's pretty straightforward. Push to talk. So most guys think you make phone calls. No, it's a walkie-talkie. It's not a cell phone, even though it's using a SIM card. Just remember, push to talk. That's the way of the future. So imagine you can be sitting in America, you can be sitting in Greece, you can be sitting anywhere in the world. Press a button for 300 megabytes of data, and you can communicate with your family or your colleagues in your business basically for the entire month. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, more than welcome to send us some comments below, and remember to like our page and support us.